Man, this Cobra Jet manifold from Ford Performance is sweet. Brand new, VMP monoblade, Steeda closed lid. Let's hope this bad boy closes. Oh, what am I gonna do? Steeda Adjustable Motor Mounts. That'll get this hood closed, all right. Scott Boda here with Steeda Autosports to talk to you about the brand new Ford Performance Cobra Jet manifold. Now this is a really popular manifold. This is the second version of it. As most of y'all know, it's been on back order for about 6+ months as they retooled the whole thing. We got ours in about a week ago, where they've been flying off the shelf nonstop. We got one bolted on here to our Project Mach 1. We paired it up with a VMP 163mm monoblade throttle body. Our Steeda Closed Lid Cold Air Intake offers the coolest temps on the market. And as everybody knows, even with the old Cobra Jet manifold, you're gonna need a set of adjustable motor mounts. Now you can pull off your trimming and padding here. You can notch the center section of the hood, but it's gonna leave you with about 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of clearance. That's just not enough when you're hammering on these cars. So that's where we got our Steeda adjustable motor mounts. You can lower your motor from 1/4 inch to 1/2 to even 3/4 of an inch. Not only will that give you lower center of gravity, but it'll provide you with the optimum clearance you need for this brand new Cobra Jet. Now everybody's going crazy, right? We posted some pictures last week. Where are the horsepower gains? Where are the torque gains? Well, stay tuned. We're gonna do some of that testing here for you shortly in the next week or so. We don't know, we literally just got this on today. Like I said, we had to pull one out of stock because they've been flying off the shelves, but we're super excited to test it. We're even gonna send one out to our friend Brett Barber at Airflow Solutions, get one ported up, compare the old Cobra Jet versus the new Cobra Jet, ported, non-ported. We're gonna get you all those hardcore details. And remember, you can find all these products here at Steeda.com, from the Cobra Jet Intake, Steeda Closed Lid, adjustable motor mounts, which you'll need to complete the installation. Like, subscribe, follow us on our YouTube, our TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. And remember, at the end of the day, Steeda, where speed matters.